Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play media from USB flash drive on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. So prepare your USB flash drive or an SD card reader like this one. Now, the USB flash drive can be both 2.0 as well as 3.0 or 3 point something. The only thing is that I found weird, but pretty useful in this case is this that this TV only supports NTFS format of your USB flash drive. So make sure to format your USB flash drive into NTFS format, then upload your media on it, and then insert the USB flash drive into your TV. And I'm gonna show you how to do this right now. As you can see on the left edge, we have the USB port, and judging by the color of it, it should only support 2.0, but as I said before, it also supports 3.0 seamlessly. So just insert your USB flash drive in here. Make sure that your TV doesn't move while you do it, and after that your TV should automatically switch to the USB flash drive. But if it doesn't, you can also press the sources button on your remote control and switch to USB manually. Okay, here we have our media browser interface, and as I said, if you don't see it, you can also just press sources button. Before we do that, we have to leave this menu. Sometimes it doesn't work, like in my case, for some reason I cannot switch. Probably I just have to press exit or back or something. Maybe hold down, no, or maybe just restart the TV. I think this will work. So yeah, the navigation in this system is kind of tricky. As you can see, sometimes the sources button isn't working the way we want it to, but anyway, we can just go to the home menu and instead select the source manually in the sources menu. So here, as you can see, we have the USB one. Just select your USB one, and if you don't see your USB one, then you need to reformat your USB flash drive to NTFS format instead of exFAT or FAT32 or whatever format you're using. Next, you will see your media web browser, and if you don't see your media in here, you can navigate to filter tab and select your media type that you want to find, and the media browser should automatically sort it out for you. And then if you select your media, your TV will start playing it. Here we can use volume buttons normally to increase volume level, and as you can see, it really shows the video seamlessly, so the FPS stays stable, and I see no issues at all. Now whenever you want to stop playing the video, you can just return either back to your media browser interface, or just press home in order to return to the home screen of your device. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.